Let me open this up, and I want to first begin with Dr. Ranganathan on this. Dr. Ranganathan, look, we have a situation where the community, one community, gets to work less. It's a communal work subsidy, as I call it. So you want to give minority quotas and now a communal work subsidy. How is this secular? I want to understand this.
Well, this is as secular as the government giving Hajj subsidies, the government organizing iftar parties. This is as secular as the government doling out monthly salaries to Maulvis and Imams, costing the exchequer lakhs of crores. This is as secular as our taxpayers' money being spent for Waqf survey. What are you talking about secularism? India was never secular. This pretense that was started by the Congress is sham pseudo-secularism. Secularism means a complete difference between the church and state. The state will have nothing to do with religion and religion will have nothing to do with state. Here it is intertwined. And I tell you the tragedy right now, Rahul, is just 10 seconds I'll take. But over and above what I want to speak. The fact is the Hindu candle is burning at both ends. Not just at one end where you are appeasing the Muslims, but at the other end where you are actively discriminating against the Hindus. Now, if there were vacations given or sobs given during Navratras, this country would have been declared a fascist Hindu Rashtra. People would have been talking, look, this is new India, where Hindus are made to work less because they are fasting. But out here, nobody bats an eyelid, nobody is outraged. This is the problem where appeasement right now has switched from welfare to workfare and right now warfare. And this right here is the tragedy. There is not a single constitutional legal clause or law that actively discriminates against Muslims. But they are the ones who are shouting from the rooftops, Darawa Musalman, we are being discriminated against. I can list out 4 constitutional legal laws that discriminate against Hindus. Starting from the Places of Worship Act, starting from the RTE 93rd Amendment, starting from the Waqf Act, starting from so many judicial pronouncements. But nobody bats an eyelid. This is the problem in this country. In the garb of secularism, you keep on appeasing one minority after another, decades upon decades, and then you say, at the end of it, this is new India. The real fascists are the Hindus.